Happy Saturday. I've left my sunglasses at work, so I've found these ones in the cupboard. This morning not going well. I've achieved nothing so far. I'm going to try and achieve one thing, and that's to unblock the sink. And then I'm going to go to Ham House and see Kristal. Here we go.
I will give his mum the recipe for this, and by the way, all this is going to be about 4 shillings. Can you afford? Oh, she can. I can hear the coins rattling. Right, Mum, what you need to do is get a pint of worms every morning from out of the garden in the compost in the night soil. Put them in some in a colander of some kind. Wash them in well water, and then get a pint of water to the boil. Once you've got the water to the boil, I want you to grate a good pinch of nutmeg into the water. Put 3 juniper berries in it, and 1 peppercorn. I then want you to place the whole pint of the worms into the boiling water and leave them in there for 30 seconds. Take them out and grind them all to a pulp. Add the hot liquid, stir it well, and make him drink half of that twice a day.
Kew Common, Richmond Green. It's very nice though.
Well, another Saturday complete. What I can tell you is, lesson in life, don't wear yellow outdoors because every bug and beetle in the world think you are a flower. Unless you like bugs and beetles. Other than that, avoid like the plague. I've realised I start every single video in the same building. It's just me wandering around here on a Sunday morning looking totally sort of exhausted and bereft. Well, that's just how it goes. Anyway, it's a lovely Sunday so far, so I'm going to go home and hopefully do a bit of editing in the old videos which I haven't done, and sort out some stuff for holiday next week. I still haven't worked out how to upload the videos from there, but I'll work it out. You want to see why I don't go to the gym? That's why. It's quite disturbing. You're always dancing, Kerry. It's like a perpetual dance-a-thon.
It's Kerry Hansen, she's amazing. It's her face at which you are gazing. Films and music, she likes appraising. She's from up north, so forgive the phrasing. Kerry flippin' Hansen.
You having fun? I'm a bit bored.
Wash me hair.
That's not new.
It's been a while.
Last time I videoed you talking about washing your hair was about 2 weeks ago. Bear that in mind.
It's Friday. It's now... What's on Tuesday?
Yeah. Friday and Tuesdays, how many days?
Oh.
Well, that's a new personal best. If you wash it.
I'm going to see Alan Carr, Chatty Man, tonight.
Yeah.
With Lindsay. Your woman's going to be there, the one you like.
Which one's that?
Lily Allen.
Oh, Lily. Fair play, say hi.
So I'm sitting there on Northern Line, gets to like, you know, embankment, and who gets on but a naked woman?
A totally...
Properly naked. I was like, oh my god. Oh no, she had a hairband in her hair.
Okay, she's not naked.
And I was like, oh my god. Like, she sat next to us. She was like sort of late 40s, well spoken, you know, probably fairly attractive if she had clothes on. Not really naked. She wasn't that attractive. But she was,
don't know what to say to that, really.
She went to the girl next to us. Get off the fucking train. Get up. Get off the fucking train. This girl stood up. She sat in her seat. I thought, oh my god, she's sitting next to us. She's going to kill us. She's going to kill us. And then she was
killed by a naked woman.
Climbing over people on the stairs. I mean, sorry, on the seats. Like, totally naked. And then, like, it was, and then she started going mental and she didn't have her clothes and she was going, where's my fucking clothes? You think this is funny? So then people were passing her clothes and she put her jeans on inside out and then put a bra on.
Around somewhere.
Eh?
Her clothes were around.
Yeah, clothes were in the corner and then she was like saying to people, I want your dress. I was like, she asked me, I was ready to do self-defense moves. I was going to do my move that
You
back
were-
door.
Tell she wasn't armed. There was
No,
no, put a weapon, was there?
Yeah, no, but she, well,
Well, no, don't.
no, but then she went, like when she took the scale sunglasses, this woman was like, "Give me those sunglasses," and it was probably slow motion, like,
Power graph.
but amazing. And then we got to Charing Cross and they were like,
That's the same thing.
we're just waiting for the British Transport Police to turn up. It might be here a while. I'm just getting
The
off.
same thing to do.
Hang on, where
it
were
was a
if
vortex.
she? I thought she got on naked.
Yeah.
So where were her clothes when she got on naked?
They were next to the door. She must have just like chucked them or something. Or there was a lot of tube people with her,
warm,
but they just
though.
couldn't. Obviously, they've probably got no rights to like restrain her. So
It's
she
hard
was
to
like,
restrain a naked woman.
Oh no, exactly. Unless you call like you.
Moving fish house.
Oh no.
He's going in there. Once Martin's finished poisoning it. I mean, preparing
I
it.
didn't put coffee in it.
No, there was definitely no coffee in there. It's fine. That fits well as. It's going well.
I'll be honest with you, I'm struggling a bit.
Mummy and Daddy are setting up the new house. It's ever slightly too late. And I'm going to go and get some fish and chips because I don't have any food except for defrosted meatballs. Nothing to happen with rubbish. I've spent too long editing video for last summer's holiday and now it's late. Shit happens.
That's your bit. There's a camera here. We're going to put the fish in now and Simon's going to say a few words.
Everyone's attention, please.
I didn't prepare anything official.
Oh yeah, we have celebrity.
No.
How cool would that be?
Look at the celebrity launch.
Yeah.
No, just get him in the orb.
I think the two dads should just
Just
say
get him
the
in the orb.
words.
I've said it.
What I need you to do. Here we go.
Just grab him by his tail, he'll be fine.
It's alright, fishy.
Hey, is it alright? Can we, is the big boss over there? He's just making sure it's all.
Oh, we should wait for Jason. Adrian, are you not officially opening the tank? Quickly. Oh, look at him, look at him. Yeah, I think so.
Off you go.
In he goes. Go on, Nemo.
He's going the wrong way.
Is that right? Yeah, put it deep.
Oh, look at his little mouth. I don't know what's going on. Oh. Stressed.
Right, there he goes.
Oh.
Fish is in. Hiya!
You look so happy.
For a minute there, I thought it was actually.
He's eaten today, so.
Has he?
Adrian Stewart, PD from Heart.
What can I say? That this is a very special moment for us here in the Heart Office. It's how it's grown from wet minging old stinky smelly thing here that had to change every 2 hours to this gorgeous globe that we got at half price. Thanks very much.
Yeah, so we got a bargain basement.
And what are we calling the little fella?
He's called Fish. It's Saturday. I'm packing because I'm leaving. Ooh, what was that? Because I'm leaving on Monday. Let's see how I'm doing on the basis I'm going to work tomorrow, obviously. So the electronic stuff is kind of going in there. I have a hat which needs to come through here. Ironing's ongoing, as is washing, and some drying. And there's the bag. So we're nearly there. In summary, I probably still got another hour's worth of fiddling around, plus I probably overpacked. So the simple logic is I will be taking a lot of that out in just a moment. Or maybe tomorrow. Battersea Park is the French festival. We can get some giant meringues. Someone's cooking something good over there. And there's a giant lanky man.
Selling cocktails for £4.
It's good.
What's up?
I'm on a boat. Bit of pedalo-ing. It's the boating lake in Battersea Park. And we started over there. So I'm going on holiday tomorrow. There's just quickly time to say that there will be a new vlog every 3 days while I'm away, starting on Wednesday, and then every 3 days until the 1st of August when I get back. And then we'll be back to normal.